Hey, welcome back once again, Hidden Acres Outdoors. My name's David. This is a video letting our subscribers and viewers know the direction the channel is heading. We are hard at work at the moment trying to get all of our aviation related content posted to its own unique channel. It will be Hidden Acres Outdoors Aviation, and I'll put a link for that below if you're one of the aviation subscribers to this channel. As soon as we get that channel monetized, all of the aviation related material will disappear from this channel and wind up over on the aviation channel. We're going to do the same thing for the tractors and equipment type reviews that we do, and for the grilling, cooking videos that we do. I have channels now for each one of those specific topics, and the reason we're doing that is because it helps with the YouTube algorithms so that they're not showing aviation videos to the people that just want to see beekeeping videos and vice versa. So hopefully it will help the channels all grow, and we'll have more than this monetized channel. As soon as I can get those other channels monetized, all of that material relating to that channel will disappear from this channel, and this channel will remain the homesteading type, gardening type, canning vegetables type stuff, which I know most of the aviation people don't want to see. So in order to help that process move along, if all of you aviation type folks or anybody else that likes the videos we've been posting will go over to the aviation channel and click on subscribe, we can get that sucker monetized, start splitting all these separate playlists that we have right now out into their individual channels, and that way you don't have to see anything you don't want to see. You don't have to be alerted with notifications that you don't want. But just do us a favor, if you like the aviation stuff, go ahead and go to that channel and subscribe, because our future aviation videos are going to come out on that channel roughly about a week before they show up and hit this channel. So, you got any comments or suggestions on how we should go about doing this split so that y'all get to see what you want to see and you don't have to sort through all the crap you don't want to see? Please leave some comments below. We're, I'd say, fairly new to this, so we're just trying to please you, the viewer. So, that being said, thank you for subscribing. Have a nice day.